Cool Cat with a K, the next firework, and I think Ellie might be lighting it again. David, do you want to say hi?
Watch my channel. Do it now.
Subscribe to David Plays. The link is in the description. Hi.
Hi.
A little bigger than the orange. I think oh, that is not big. Look at that smoke cloud, though. Oh, it turned into the shape of an ostrich. Okay, that's the biggest one so far. Told you it would get bigger. It's longest. It's also longest. I mean, more cool cat, that's not the only one. Right there, look. I think it doesn't stop.
That was a great one for her. Yeah, but
Sunshine.
Sunshine.
So this is hopefully bigger. When the next sunshine, I think it. Bro, that literally shot almost. I'm gonna take a few steps back so I don't get.
We saw you dancing to Cool Cat.
I don't get sunshine.
Dancing.
I saw you jumping for
You like my
joy.
sick dance move?
Ready? Pop, can I take one?
Next one is Enigma.
I did that.
Or Eczema if you're an 8-year-old boy. This one's a big one too.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why Jamie did it.
You guys,
Ellie, the next one that
stop
I picked
yelling.
is the cat one.
We need to stop yelling.
I already did the cat one.
I know.
Okay.
I picked another one. This one's called
Guys,
Wildcat.
why is no one listening? Stop yelling.
I got
I'm not yelling.
What? The fire started. The fire started.
We also have a campfire.
It was already on. Oh, it's out. The fire's out.
Hey, no,
I don't think it's gonna start.
poles are still red.
Let's go. I must see something.
Not bad.
Oh!
I picked the biggest one. Let's go. Bro, are you sure this one has music?
Oh, fountain. Uh-oh.
Hey, does this? Are you sure, Jamie? This one called Hi-Ho.
I love this one.
Yeah, that's definitely the biggest. There's one.
That's what will happen to you if you don't like and subscribe.
called